What you need to know about your post-disability earnings in Section D of your Social Security electronic file. When you apply for Social Security disability benefits, the Social Security Administration organizes your file into 6 different sections. And one of these sections is Section D. You need to know what's hiding in Section D, non-disability development. Well, one of the things, of course, is your application, but another crucial thing in that section is your post-disability earnings or verification of any work activity that you've engaged in since the alleged onset date. So let's say you claim you're disabled January 1st, you apply for benefits, and the Social Security Administration is going to be looking at your post-earning records. They get records from the Internal Revenue and other sources. And so what they're looking at is, okay, here's the date of onset. Are there any earnings after that date? Because you've got the burden to show that you're disabled. And if you earn more than SGA for that particular year, then you're not eligible for your Social Security disability benefits, regardless of how disabled you might be. So you're allowed to work, but you have to keep the income below this SGA number. And if you don't, as I said, too bad, so sad. Now, the SGA is measured by your gross earnings, and it changes every year. Currently for 2023, it's $1,431 per month. And as I said, if you earn more than that, too bad, so sad, you're generally not eligible. Now, if it's where you work a month or two and then you stop, we can deal with that. But if there's a significant period of time, like say more than 6 months, that's going to be a problem. And I will assure you that that can be the reason for what's called a technical denial based on the fact that your earnings disqualify you. You should be also telling the truth during the pendency of your application about your work activity. Don't lie to the Social Security Administration, don't lie to the judge, and don't lie to your lawyer. I will tell you, if you end up in front of a judge, on their computer screen at the hearing, they're going to see your earnings record. And if you lie about earning money, you will have destroyed your Social Security claim, because the judge has many functions, one of which is to determine your credibility. And if you say you haven't worked and the earnings record shows something else, guaranteed denial. So you can see that there are things in your Social Security electronic file that you may not have access to, but which can impact your file. Another reason why you should be represented by a Social Security disability attorney, because they're going to get access to the electronic records. They know what to look for, and one of those things is post-onset disability earnings. If you have any questions about your rights to Social Security disability benefits, call me today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation.